Okay, in this short video what we've got is the MacBook from earlier, the rubber feet episode. What we got is just a replacement battery for it, because this one, it's that bad that as soon as you take the battery out, as soon as you take the charger out, sorry, it just cuts out and dies. So just going to replace the battery, and hopefully that should solve the issue. I'm pretty sure it will though. So just going to start by removing all the screws. I seem to have a tri-wing screw here. And the rest of them should be either pentalobe or T5, I can't remember which. And once all the screws are undone, what we're going to do is just remove the battery connector and then remove the battery itself. And new battery, it's just reverse order, plug it in, screw it down, make sure it works, and then normally I'd put the bottom screws back on the casing, but I don't have the bottom screws for this one, so it's just the battery screws on this. yeah, that seems to power up fine. Hasn't shut off yet, so give it a full test later on, but as far as I'm concerned for the moment, that all works. Thank you again, and please like and subscribe for more.